Welcome to the Dreamseeker Science Show. I am your host, the Professor, and today, in this episode, we will be interviewing Ms. McDermott, who is a fruit fly researcher in the fruit flies lab at Duke. So when did you become interested in fruit flies?
I first became interested in fruit flies when I was in college, and I was really interested in researching evolution, and one of the evolution labs was using fruit flies as a model system. So I joined that lab, and that's how I became interested in studying fruit flies.
Okay, thank you for that answer. So, I know you came here today to talk to the class about the courtship with fruit flies. What can you tell us about that?
So courtship in fruit flies is actually really, it's really spectacular how specialized these fruit flies actually are. And the males are actually never taught how to court. Like usually you would think, oh, your dad teaches you how to court, or your mom teaches you how to talk to the ladies. With the fruit flies, that's not true at all. They know instinctively, as soon as they're out of that pupal case, they know what they have to do.
So you're saying like courting is passed down through the genes?
Yes, it is. It is encoded in their DNA how to court the females.
Okay. So can you tell us how the fruit flies court?
Sure. The first step would be the male would tap the female on her body with his front leg, and that's essentially to get her attention. And the second step, the male would extend his wings out and vibrate them in a specific pattern that is very specific to his own species. And if the female is interested and impressed by his wing show, then she will let him mate. But if not, he'll have to try again.
Okay, thank you. So how could that work with the Apterous fruit fly strain of the Melanogaster if they have no wings?
If they have no wings, the males will have to try a little harder, and the females essentially won't have as good mate choices. So originally, with winged fruit flies, if the female's not interested in one male, she can go and mate with another male. But with the Apterous, they all probably look the same, so it won't be that much different.
Okay, so can you tell us what is the average courtship that a male fruit fly or female fruit fly would have?
Courtship time?
Courtship time.
I think in Melanogaster, it's about, I think it ranges from about less than a minute to up to maybe 8 minutes, and then mating takes approximately 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, well, that is all. Well, I think that's all the time that we have today. Is there anything else that you want to add?
I'd like to thank Duke for teaching me everything there is to know about Drosophila. And thanks to Rogers Hurt for letting me come here and talk to you guys today.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's all the time we have for today for the Dreamseeker Science Show. Now tune in next time.